Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a makeup look of a cat Halloween look. So it's the first thing I'm gonna, well, the two things I did first, I put Vaseline and the other stuff I put on. And sorry, I'm sniffing. Oh, but after that I'm putting on my LA contour. So I'm putting that on there on top of my eyes. So that's why I'm trying to start off doing that and just kind of like do my eyebrows first, because sometimes at the end sometimes I forget to do that on my eyebrows, so I decided to do that first. And after that you probably see that I'm going to do my eyeshadow, so I'm just going to let y'all hear the music. So yeah. To put on my Wet and Wild eyeshadow. I love using this. It's like my favorite one at all. I love using it, and it oh my god, I just want to tell you, I love using this eyeshadow, and I'm glad I got it. Like, I think springtime, I think I got it. I forgot on there. So I'm gonna use a little kind of brown looking eyeshadow on top of my eyes. I already did the other part brown ones, but I'm gonna kind of put that on top of it, and doing the same thing on my other eyes. And now I'm going to use my glitter, that my heart candy glitter that I have. I'm going to use that pink, a little pink, green pink looking, and I'm going to put the glitter right on the end of where my eyelashes is at, and I'm going to put that on there, and I'm going to do it with the next eye the same way too. Right here I'm going to use the black, dark black, and I'm going to kind of go in the, like, you're going to see when I don't know how to explain, but I'm going to kind of put that around, like a little, going over a little bit at the top of my other eyeshadows. And if you're going to do this like this, just kind of like do that. And I kind of saw this on Pinterest app. It's a makeup look that I saw this girl had, and she kind of make it really good than I did. But I'll probably pop up a picture of it on then doing, probably after this or at the end or something. It might be on my thumbnail. I'm probably gonna show it to y'all and see what y'all think of that. It might not be on my thumbnail, but it probably be in the video. But so yeah, right here I'm putting under my eyes a little dark of eyeshadow under my eyes too, black. And the next one I kind of use a Q-tip to kind of in my mouth, and I kind of go under it because I saw this of a YouTuber did this. I forgot her name, but she kind of did this, and I use the same end. I kind of turned it around to kind of do that on the other end, because that's kind of be nasty if I do that. So I kind of did that like that. Okay, right now I'm taking a break. I'm drinking some juice because I'm so tired. My back was hurting me doing this, and I was sitting in the chair, but it was just like hurting. My back was just killing me. And I'm using the Maybelline Fit foundation. I love using this. It's still my favorite kind. It helps for when you have dry skin too. So I like using it on here. I'm kind of patting it on my face, and I kind of do like that because it makes it easier for me to pat it. And So I don't use my other brush that I have that I kind of used for my foundation, but my new brush. And I'm just kind of going around in my face and getting it really good to kind of get that, foundation really out of my face really good. And after that, and now I'm using the same LA Prime, I almost say Prime contour. I'm using it on my face on that one. Oh, so this is like my other brush I use now because I love using this. It's like the new brush I have, and I love using this. So I'm using my foundation brush to kind of blend that really good to get that out of the foundation to make it my own natural skin of it. And I'm patting some more on my nose, so I kind of forgot to put powder at the end. I will let y'all know that I kind of forgot to do that, but that's on what I'm putting in and just getting blending really good on my face. So yeah. And now I'm doing the nose. I'm going to put black because I know some cats have, well, all cats have blacks on their nose. So I'm kind of going to like doing that. I did this before a long time ago. I think like I did a video of this before, but it was kind of like this. And I think I was trying to do a mouse or a cat. I don't know. I kind of messed it up. I think I was doing a cat, the same thing. I don't know why I'm doing this over, but I decided to do something a little different. But it's still kind of like the same from my last video, so I just want to let y'all know that. But that will be like in the description box of my last video I did, last Halloween videos I did from like in 2017. So if y'all like this video, just like, comment, subscribe, and press the bell notification. If you're gonna do this look, just send me a picture on Instagram and Twitter, and it's in my description box of my social media. And I see y'all doing my next video. Bye, y'all.